Good morning, all you wonderful people. Oh well, it's afternoon, but anyway. Hope you're all having a wonderful day like me, Mr. Wonderful here. So today, I think I'll do something totally different. I'll make a ring. So today I'm going to do a pound. It's just going to be this outside part. So already I'm a pound down. So, first of all, we need to knock that centre part out. So, we'll go over to Big Red. And we shall do just that. I just want to knock that centre out. Just like that. Right. There we go. So let's show a bit of love with Bernie. There'll be another smallish ring. You can't beat a small ring. I'd like to thank my subscribers that have commented. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. I love you all. No punch on this one, Dwayne. Sorry, mate. Get it hotter than the hot thing. There's my quenching cup. There it is. Right. Okie dokie. So now I want one of these 17-degree folding die. What side are we going to go with? Sunny side up on the ring. £1. Yeah, I suppose we could. There's old Lizzie. Yeah, we'll go with this sunny side up on the ring. So this is going to go face down. Well, I might have to use dimples, I don't know. Just want to make sure it's nice and square. Let's take that off. Stick this on. I like these magnets, but they break up a lot. Somebody's telling me to use a washer, which I will do one day. Yeah, I should have used dimples to start it. I'm just getting the doming block. It's a bit dull here today, still nice and warm. I still got the shorts on. Jesus wept. What's this made of? God almighty. I'll tell you what, I think I'll have to put it in the lady in red, because that doesn't want to do a lot. Oh, I just lost my monitor again. Lovely. Right, there you go. My bloody monitor's gone off. Can't see jack without it. Just plugging it back in. There we go. I don't know why that was so hard. I thought this would be quite a quick video because I didn't have to knock the middle out, but maybe I'll do this for the next 10 minutes. Good God. There you go. That is bizarre. Let's try it again. Bizarre. It's a good word, isn't it? Right, let's go back over there again, see what happens. I don't think this is a... Oh, I don't know. That is weird. Right, I'm going to warm it up again, and then we go over to Spike and have a play there. So I'll be back in a tick. Right, I just annealed it. And we're over to Spike. Let's have a play with Spike. See what's going to happen to this. Looks a bit shady to me. It don't look right. It might come right though. Oh yeah. Yeah, it ain't looking too shabby, is it? Let's give it a bit more, shall we? Just a little bit. Oh, it's getting a bit... Have I split it? Have I split my ring? Right, sorry. That's weird. I quite like it though, it's a bit different, isn't it? I think that's really bizarre how that's come out. I like it though. I don't think I really want to straighten the sides up really. I quite like the way it is. What do you think? Let's go a bit more. It's turned into quite a big ring as well. I don't know how far I can push it before it breaks. Oh, I think it's on the verge now, I think. It's getting very easy to stretch. I don't think I'm going to straighten the walls up. I quite like it like that. Totally different. The £2 coins don't, the £2 English coins outside parts don't do this. They go totally flat, but I like this shape. Right, okay, let's keep it at that. Have we got anything on the inside? No. Let's break out Sandy. If anyone's interested in a ring, handmade by me, give us a shout, I'll make you one. Yeah, thanks for your comments, guys, I really appreciate it. I mean, you're so lucky to know me, really, aren't you? No, I'm the lucky one. I should be so lucky, 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 lucky. I should be so lucky, lucky. I should have been a rock star, really, shouldn't I? Well, there you go, folks. Let's, I don't think I need, I think this is brass. I don't think I need to use a, okay, I can go straight to Felton John. Notice the cap's still on bare. A little bit of polish, just a little bit. too much. Perfect. Put the lid on securely as well. All right, let's see what we've got. Get a bit closer. I'm gonna get more intimate with Mr. Wonderful. Right. Yeah, I'm quite impressed with this. I like it. Only if I do any more, they'll come out the same, hopefully. Because that didn't want to bend at all at the beginning. Even in Lady in Red, it didn't want to know. I had to give it so much pressure. I had to give it about 5 tons just to do that bit. Let's get a bit warm as well. I thought I'd done a pound coin before, but maybe I haven't. I'll have to have a check. But if they come out like this, I really like the effect. Oh, the walls aren't flat, but they've got a nice sort of roundness to them, you know? What am I talking about? I don't know. Now the inside. Ouch, it's getting a bit hot. It's so slippery though, it's hard to hold. I think we're about done. It's funny, I do this polishing and, you know, I think it's perfect. Then my girlfriend does the inspection, you know, she does the photographs and she says, you've got to do this one again, it's dirty on the inside. And I have a look and I can't see jack. And I put the monitor on and yeah, she's right, there's usually a bit of dirt or it's not polished properly or... She sends me back into my room again. Go and do it properly if you're going to do it. Yes, dear. No, dear. 3 bags full, dear. Nah, I'm lucky. Yeah, she's lucky she's got me, really. If there's any single women out there watching this, I'm sorry, girls, I'm spoken for. I mean, you know, I'd like to oblige, but I just can't, you know. I'm in a relationship. She loves me. What am I talking about? I don't know. Talking absolute crap, as usual. But you've got to talk about something, haven't you? You know. I could talk about how wonderful I am and stuff like that, but you already know that, so... Well, I don't think she's going to be very pleased with this one at the moment. Oh yeah, it's coming up all right. It just needs a... I think I need to I think I need to give it a bit more. What do you think? Let's try it without any more polish. I wouldn't be surprised if she still said, "Oh dear, you missed a bit. You missed a bit there." Tell you what, let's get another cloth, shall we? No expense spared here, guys and girls. Let's go for a pink one, shall we? Oh, look at that. Very sexy, eh? Right. Oh, it's heavy as well, this one. Right, what we got? Oh yeah, I think that's coming up quite good, don't you? Pretty damn good. On the inside. Well, this is a wear microfiber towel. It's like a shag carpet. It's quite sort of fluffy. Right, what we got, guys and girls? That's better. It's different, isn't it? It's nice. I like it. Some of the detail on the inside's gone, but that's okay. What size did we get in the end? We got a size. Yeah, it's quite a big ring. I could probably make this bigger if anybody's interested. This is a size, can't see, Jack 11, nearly 11 and a quarter. I could probably make this 12, maybe even bigger than that. Gold. You still got the £1. Yeah, I'm pretty impressed with that. Right. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for your comments. Thanks for hitting the like button. If you're not subscribed, there's a little red button there somewhere. See that? Hit it. Come on, stop mucking around. Hit it. And then you subscribe and other stuff, you know. And that's about it. So it fits this finger perfectly. Hope you're having a great week. Try and make someone smile in your life. Don't let the bastards get you down, because they're really trying hard nowadays. And yeah, that's about it really. And the rest of you can have this. This might take 2 hits. Hit it. Have it.